All right. Test 1, 2, 3. Can you guys hear me loud and clear? Let me know in the chat box, yes or no. And if you're able to put on the camera, it's always fun to see you guys then talking to black screens. Yes, confirmed. All right, amazing. Loud and clear, amazing. Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys have an amazing week so far. Let's start this beautiful session going over the price traps from yesterday. Of course, we have seen every single pair that we have trapped yesterday made out the breakout and made also the retest that we were looking for. So we will review every single pair from yesterday, of course, and make some new price traps for today. Before I do that, I want to show you the news that we have for today. And like you can see, we don't really have big news events coming up. All right, we do have an FOMC member speaking at 11 this night. This is at the end of spread hour, so I would be a little careful of this moment, so you're not risking too much, and you're just aware that there is a news event at the end of this spread hour. All right. We also have some AUD news during the night. This could also have some impact on the AUD pairs, but should be okay. All right. So a very calm day if we talk about news for today. Good. Let's talk about the price traps we had yesterday. So first of all, we had AUD JPY. The market broke out. I was waiting for that retest. You know, I was looking to see the market dipping a little deeper to then start moving up again and follow that breakout. All right. We see that the market did give us a little dip deeper into the zone, like exactly what I wanted to see. We see some rejection on that 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame also, together with a morning star. And then we also have these 50-minute time frame candles where you had an opportunity to react on that and run the market higher. All right. So yeah, this one is running. Let's see how it will play out. If we can get back to these highs, hit some beautiful risk to reward levels. You should be running this with around, I think, a 15 pip, something like that, maybe a 20 pip maximum. So a 1 or 2 risk to reward to the highs would be amazing. All right. Good. So that's for AUD JPY. What I'm going to do with AUD JPY is pretty simple. Because we are following this kind of uptrend for a long time already, and we are now breaking again to the upside to follow up that uptrend, I'm simply going to use that new high that market has created to see if we can get a proper breakout retest of that specific high. All right, there we go. If there's something not clear or you have any questions about a certain price trap, just let me know in the chat box and I will help you guys further. Good morning. Break resistance. There we go. All right. So of course, if we want to see the market going to the opposite direction, we always want to focus ourselves on the last point of structure. And with AUD JPY, we are now running it to the upside. So we are getting the confirmation of this higher low. If we start attacking these highs and you want to see the other direction, so if the market starts moving up to the downside from this point, we want to see the breakout retest of this support zone, of course. All right, but I'm going to leave it like that just to follow up how this idea will go and if this price trap will go and take profits, yes or no. All right. So now we have GU for the people who are following up on or that's Euro USD. Excuse me. We have a beautiful breakout. Market came back for the retest. We did already create some price action yesterday evening, but this price action didn't hold for a long time. We dipped lower into this beautiful demand level, filling up the imbalance zones, and then now starting to move up again. All right. So if you're reacting on price action, you will see that you will have different opportunities over there, especially that 1 hour time frame and 30-minute time frame was showing us a lot of confirmations here. For the people who are entering another way, you guys know it. You should be running this from the wick and seeing some beautiful target zones around that supply level. All right, so let's see how it plays out. We are running it. Like I said, every single price trap we made last session, so yesterday, every single price trap is really breaking and retesting at this point. Same thing for GU. Market broke out, came back for the retest. We now triggered this beautiful demand zone with a morning start on the 1 hour time frame, engulfing on the 1 hour time frame. 30-minute time frame was also engulfing. 50-minute time frame was also showing beautiful price action. So for the people who are reacting on price action, you had different opportunities over there. For the people who are entering the other way, like you can see again that demand zone got hit beautifully, and we are now running that with following up that breakout we have seen right over here. All right, so we are running every single pair over here. Same thing for NZD Canadian. NZD Canadian broke out, came back for the retest, hit its stop loss. Almost 100% sure about that one. For me personally, it was a stop loss. But after that, market was still reacting on these lows. I personally wouldn't prefer to react on these kind of things because we started breaking the structure to the downside. And when I see this happening, I'd rather stay away from it and just simply trap it again and see what the market will show me in the other days. All right. Same thing for NZD USD. That's almost exactly the same chart like we see on NZD Canadian. And then, of course, we have USD Canadian, which is now in the levels of our supply area where we could potentially start moving to the downside again to attack this low or this beautiful demand zone. All right. So this one is one you can keep an eye out for a reaction or for some price action. Let me see. What do we see here? Engulfing candle, 50-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, also showing beautiful rejection candles. Yeah, this is basically around entry levels. All right, so you could potentially react right over here with 8 to 10 pips stop, and then have a target of 30 to 40 pips, which is a 1 on 2, 1 on 3, 1 on 4 risk to rewards. All right, so of course, it's always your own decision what you're doing in these charts. I'm not a financial advisor, just here to show you the different opportunities and the different ways to react with the price trap strategy. Okay. Also for gold, breakout, retest, we do have some price action right over here with some good candlestick patterns where you could potentially react on. It's now consolidating for a bit. If you're running this, you should be around, like, I think 75 pips, something like that, stop loss. So if you want to go for at least a 1 on 2 risk to reward, you want to have 150 pips to the upside. Or if you want to go for a 1 on 3 risk to reward, it's 225 pips that we are looking for. So every single pair, like I said, is running at this moment. Let's see how it will run. Let's see if we can hit some take profits, yes or no. But at this point, it's looking pretty good for today. All right. Of course, like I've said in the past, and like I've been saying a lot of times, we are looking, or if we are having a situation like this, we have like 7 price traps that are like kind of ready at the same moment, right? It's not that good of an idea to be reacting on every single price trap that you're seeing over here, all right? Because then you're over trading. And if you're counting this up, like if you're using a 0.5% risk every trade, you're basically risking 3.5% in one time. And in my opinion, that's way too much. I never go above 1 or 1.5. 1.5 is really my maximum amount that I'm risking at the same moment. And yeah, for me personally, it's always like first come, first serve. Yesterday, NZD Canadian was one of the first one who was ready. I took a stop loss on it. It is what it is, even if every single one goes in the direction we want to see, but mine hit stop loss, it is what it is, right? Don't be that person who is breaking his head like, I'm always taking the bad ones, and guess what will happen? You attract what you feel, you attract what you're saying. So if you're saying, I'm always taking the bad ones, guess which trades you're going to take, all right? You're going to take the bad ones, all right? So change that mindset, change that way of thinking, and change your trading here. Good. All right, so that's a little bit it. Let me check the chart you sent it out. ADJPY, looking for the breakout retest to the downside. Personally, yeah, I don't see that. I do understand why you trapped it again right over here with this support zone, support area. But I was still following up that breakout retest from the trap I had this Monday. All right, so I basically just want to follow up that trending movement we have seen, like right now, higher high, higher low, and then maybe getting that higher high again. So that's my vision here with ADJPY. I would love to see the market breaking and retesting again to the upside. Let's see where we can get. All right. So good. Let me check what we can do for today and make some new price traps. Let me know in the chat box if you have any price traps for today. For me personally, I'm just simply going to adjust this NZD USD chart as we have created new structure. And like I said, it's exactly the same thing with NZD Canadian. This breakout retest went way too low for me. It started breaking the structure. So I basically leave this alone and see if we can get some new opportunities for today. All right, so red flag, change the alert back to a breakout to the upside. There we go. And then, of course, we have still the alert for the downside. Yes, sir. For gold, we're going to keep that one running. UCAT, I want to pay attention here. Let's see how far we can get with this idea. GU is running. What you could do right now, we basically, if you're now looking at GU and if you still want to enter, leave it alone. All right, because that's the FOMO that is talking to you, and that's not the way how you want to react. How you can react with GU right now is waiting for the next breakout retest to the upside from the new high that the market has created. All right, pretty simple. There we go. So that's for GU. Let me put a red flag on that one. UCAT waiting, so that's good. Euro USD still has the opportunity. We are still around entry levels, so that's very interesting. All right, let's see if we can. You can find yourself in a reaction here. Maybe waiting for a new engulfing candle to really confirm the direction. That's of course 100% your own decision. All right. So let me put a green flag on gold so I can follow up on that one. Blue flag on UCAT, Euro USD. I'm gonna also keep that blue flag, and then we have ADJPY. Already explained that, running it. So let's see how it plays out. And NZD Canadian. I'm gonna adjust this resistance zone. There we go. To have a new price traps or a new price trap for today. There we go. AN. I'm gonna check ADNs at the moment. Let me first fix the pairs from yesterday. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Let me first make sure everything is good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, okay. Gold running. That's the USD GU new price traps. I miss NZD Canadian. There we go. Let's see, what is AUD Canadian doing? Ugly charts. Let's stay out of there. AUD NZD. Yeah, I do like the structure. I really do. So support zone resistance, I would take this higher one. That's the last high that's really showing me structure here. So I would trap it like this. Or we follow up that uptrending movement, or we start getting some reversal signs and find ourselves a breakout retest to the downside. Break support, there we go. And then we have the resistance. Break resistance. AUD USD. Nope, I'm gonna leave that one alone. I don't like it. Euro JPY. Someone, any other pairs that you trapped for today? Or is it the same that I have right now? No price ups for today? Can happen. There we go. Euro Canadian, nope. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Very ugly chart. Yeah, you could trap Euro pounds, but it's a very big trap. I don't like that. I'd rather just wait for next structure. Euro USD, GU, GA, nope. GCAT. Yeah, it's a beautiful breakout retest from yesterday here on GCAT, but of course we missed that, so let's just skip this chart. No, indeed, it's a very calm market today. Also tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken, we have the bank holidays of NZD and AUD, and also Friday we do have some German bank holidays, also the pound, the cat, all bank holidays right over here. And yeah, now that I see it, from next week on, the spread hour is back in place. All right, so it's not from 10 to 11, but from 11 to 12. So yeah, and like you say, it's indeed not a lot of power in the markets, but it is moving like we like to see. So yeah, I'm happy. So GJ, let's just see how this plays out. Yes, indeed, indeed. We do have some holidays, but like you know, I don't really care about it. I just keep on trading. Same for the month of December. A lot of people stop trading. I personally just keep on going. This year it was a little less. Normally we do have a beautiful month on December, but right now in 2023 we didn't really had the best month. Also for January we didn't really had the best month. On the end of the month, yes, but the beginning of the month wasn't really what we like to see. There we go. That's GJ. GN. I'm gonna stay away from that. Okay. No, I don't like the chart. I'm just gonna stay away from that. All right. I think I'm gonna keep it with that for today. All right. So we still have some ideas running. So for UCAT, you can find yourself an entry over there using the right price action, using the other entry way. That's of course your own decision. Same thing for Euro USD, still at entry levels, 80 JPY. Yeah, this one took off, so I wouldn't be reacting anymore. Just waiting for the breakout retest to the upside, right over here. And of course, we have gold running, but then we have some new price traps, NZD, USD, GU. You should be running already, waiting for the next breakout retest. NZD CAT, new price trap, AUD NZD, new price trap, Euro JPY, new price trap, and GJ, new price trap. What do I say about gold? Like I said, we are running it. I see a bullish potential 100%, as we have breaking out that all-time high level. Then we got to retest beautifully on that demand level here. And we do exactly the same thing right now. All right. So we have that breakout, retest on demand levels, and now we are running in some small profits. Of course, the target is to get back to these highs over here, and maybe get a little higher to fill up the imbalance. Yes or no? That's the big question. As long as we keep respecting this uptrending structure here, nothing is to be worried about. We will still be moving up. The moment we start breaking through that structure, of course, then it's possible that the market will start turning around and start moving to the downside again. Okay, so let me go over one more time. So we have NZD, USD, a full new price trap. GU, you should be running this one waiting for the next breakout retest to the upside. NZD Canadian, beautiful new price trap. AUD NZD, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, USD Canadian, still around entry levels. Good moment to find yourself some good entries with some good price action. Exactly the same thing for Euro USD. And AUD JPY is gone. We are waiting for the breakout retest. So let me put a red flag on this one. Okay. So these are the different pairs. 10 price traps in total. Please, like I said in the beginning, guys, don't overtrade. Don't react on every single price trap. Find yourself the best ones. For me personally, it's just first come, first serve. But you will have to, find yourself a way how you want to use this and react on this. All right. So good. To end of the session, of course, you guys know that I always stop the session with some cryptocurrencies, with analyzers for the day, to see what kind of movements we can expect the next couple of days. Like you can see, I said it yesterday, we have this supply level over here, which is around, I think it's the 88 level. If we talk about, 78, 72, 78 level, if we talk about the FIPS. So now we have that reaction over there. And I'm very curious how we will react the moment we get here down. For me personally, this is a very bullish movement. We broke a lot of structure over here. So there is a very high potential we will react from this point to the upside or from a little deeper point to the upside, all right? So now, at this point, I'm very bullish. First, we did break some structure on that 4-hour time frame. We were creating some beautiful downtrending movements, but at this point, the market just completely turned around and broke all that structure. Like you can see, you do have an opportunity with Bitcoin. It doesn't happen a lot, but we do have an opportunity with Bitcoin to trap the price like we are used to. And like you can see, we simply need to wait for that breakout retest if we want to see these demand zones getting hit or breakout retest to the downside. So that's what we're looking for. For me personally, I'm bullish. I do expect some retracement in a couple of days. Maybe only today, maybe it will just stop today and then start moving up again. But of course, if we start breaking all this structure, for me, this is the last point of structure. All right, we need to break this zone before I really think about moving further to the downside to see deeper retracements. All right, so these are the two levels I'm really interested in. I'm looking at to see the market react on. All right. Veracity, I do like the project. I do like the technology. I do like the vision these guys are offering. So if you basically just go to CoinGecko, you should know this. Normally, you should know this. This is basic crypto, of course. But if you just simply search it, so Veracity. Let me first. There we go. So for Veracity, if you simply go to their website right over here, you can also find everything about the Veracity coin here on CoinGecko. If you didn't know this yet, you can find where you can buy it. You can literally find everything on CoinGecko that you need. And then, of course, you have the website, and over here you can do your own research on this. All right. For me, it's really something that they are doing some crazy things. Talking about streaming, talking about the views on YouTube and so much more. They also have their own patent, like you can see here. So this is a certain technology they are using, and only Veracity can use this. All right. So this is big. All right. I'm not sure if there are more projects having patents, but this is one of the few that have a patent on different technologies. So simply just do your own research and see how it will if you like it or not. All right, it's not because I am invested that you need to be invested. Also, if you look at the tokenomics, I do like the tokenomics. I do like what I'm seeing. So yeah, that's why I'm in this. I'm in this for the long run. I'm not here to have like a 10x or that kind of stuff. Not really. I just believe in the project. I see what they are doing. And that's the reason why I'm invested in this coin. All right. VET at also 2 patents. Yeah, possible. VeChain, yeah, I know. VeChain is like a little bit the same but different. Where is VeChain? Right below it. There we go. VeChain is, of course, also a very good one, very strong one. Also using some good technologies. I didn't know about the patent of VeChain. No, I wasn't aware of that. But yeah, if you like that project, if you like VeChain, I would say go for it. But of course, always do some proper research. That's the most important part in crypto. Don't just blindly invest in a coin because everyone is investing in it. Invest in it because you believe in the project. All right, that's definitely what I always focus on. If I believe in the project, if I see what the guys want to do in these markets and what they want to create, then I'm in. I'm all in. All right. So that's how I personally approach the crypto markets. Why? Also because a lot of people are just simply investing into crypto without even knowing why they are investing in a certain coin. And the moment you get retracements of, for example, right now, Veresti is going a little to the downside. We see that we have like a minus, almost a minus 4% to the downside for today. And if you don't have your research and you don't know why you are invested in these type of coins, the moment you see these retracements, you will panic insanely. All right. And that's the moment you maybe close out in loss, that you maybe take out investments in losses while this is not necessary, while you could simply hold it and then maybe a few months after take some beautiful profits out of there. All right. Casper, Render, Multiverse. All right. Render, I've already heard about that one. Casper, I didn't heard about it. Multiverse X, didn't heard about these two. So thanks for sharing. I'm gonna definitely just take a look at it to know what it is. Render, of course, everyone knows that. That's a basic, or yeah, not a basic, but yeah, it's always fun to see new coins that I haven't been looking at. And to have some research here. All right, so that's it. I think I'm ready for today. Like I said, for Euro USD and USD Canadian, at this point we are getting some higher prices. So let's see if we can create some good price action, yes or no. For the people who are reacting on the other way, like I've been teaching, Euro USD looks like is giving us a second opportunity here. All right, so let's see. Good. If there are no more questions, I'm going to leave this for today. This will be the call. Let's see how the different price traps will run. We have different opportunities. Hope you guys found yourself some entries, found yourself some opportunities. Let's see how it will turn out for today. But of course, we do have some new price traps for today. So yeah, just basically keep on focusing on your trading plan, your risk management plan, and everything will be good. All right. So thank you all for being here. I wish you the best. We see each other back tomorrow morning, of course, at 8:30 a.m. For a brand new price trap session where we will review the price traps and make some new price traps for the day. All right. So enjoy your beautiful day and see you very soon again. Ciao, ciao.